Medyo kanina ho na hininga namin ang initial statement si Congressman Saturo Campo dito po sa inaugural speech kagabi ni US President Barack Obama. Kayo naman ho, on your part, ano naman yung napansin niyo sa speech ni President Obama at ano ang immediate effect naman ito sa atin sa Pilipinas? Ayaw niyo. Anyway, ayaw daw mag-comment ni
Raul na lang, Raul.
Yung ano na lang, local issue. Si Secretary Raul Gonzales, may recommendation na ho yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines na suspendin ito. Ano naman ho masasabi niyo doon?
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting me to this forum. And my greetings, my colleague, Casator. Well, as the expression says, when it rains, it pours. And it's pouring as far as Secretary Raul Gonzales is concerned. He has been under assault because of his behavior with respect to the PDEA DOJ confrontation. Now we have the IBP that has come to the picture. And to me, that is very serious because we have here a case where it is no less than the Secretary of Justice, one of the top lawyers of the country, who is being recommended for suspension by the Integrated Bar of the Philippines. It is the peers of Secretary of Justice who are asking him to be suspended. And to me, this is very serious because he has apparently lost the esteem of his peers in the legal profession. Now, why did I say this is very serious? Because this case demeans both the position and the person of the Secretary of Justice. This is going to encumber him because he'll be spending a lot of time defending himself before the Supreme Court. Because the possible consequence of this, if he is indeed suspended by the Supreme Court, is that he would not be able to practice his law profession for 1 year, and because of that, he would be disqualified as Secretary of Justice. Remember that one of the functions of the Secretary of Justice is to review these positions and recommendations and memorandums coming from prosecutors. That is a legal function. He will, the Secretary of Justice gives legal opinions, and that would require a lawyer. So the moment he is suspended, that will automatically disqualify him as someone who can hold the position of Secretary of Justice. I cannot remember in recent history a Secretary of Justice that has faced this kind of an assault coming from his own peers. The only Secretary of Justice that I can recall, this is history, a long time ago, when someone holding the position got into legal trouble, was then Justice Secretary Castello. But this was a long time ago. Only Raul will remember who is Secretary Castello. And he ended up in a very unfortunate situation.
Sa inyo, Congressman Saturo Campo, itong latest na kinakaharap ni Secretary Gonzales, hindi naman ito yung first time na nasuspindi ito. I understand, ang tanong bayan siya, parang nasuspindi na rin siya. Ito yung second time. Ano po ba talagang dating ito? Ito ba yung personality na talaga ni Secretary Raul Gonzales na mukhang may mga nalalabaw siya, kaya siya nirekomendang suspindi?
I think Raul Gonzales na din amin itong pangyayari na ito. Kasi may consistency mula ng ma-appoint siya na Justice Secretary. Naging main function niya pagkapagtanggol and trying to cover up for the mga kasalanan ng kanyang principal presidente. No? And nagkaroon ng, from our point of view, bilang naging victims ng political repression ng Bagapagal Arroyo Government, malaki yung function ni Raul Gonzales as the man in charge of supervising yung prosecutorial arm. Naging partisan ang aksyon ng Secretary of Justice. And there is proof, no? Na nangyari ito sa decision ng Supreme Court ng July 1, 2007, dismissing yung rebellion case against the Batasan State na merong warning law to the Secretary of Justice and the Prosecutor not to allow themselves to be further partisan considerations in the preparation process. So, sasabihin mo sila pag-inisto, whatever, no? Nag-indicate lamang yun na from the viewpoint ng Supreme Court, hindi naging fair ang Secretary of Justice sa handling nung ganitong kategorya ng prosecution on alleged political offenses. Ngayon, dun sa mga dito sa PDEA and the other controversies, nakikita na naman no, under question yung fairness and even handedness ni Raul Gonzales sa Secretary of Justice. Kaya nasasabi Secretary of Injustice na maraming mga naging biktima ang ganitong abuse of authority ng DOJ.
Dr. Gula, my understanding of the personality of the Secretary of Justice is that he should have the demeanor of a member of the Supreme Court. I am reminded of previous secretaries like Abad Santos, Secretary Abad Santos, Gingona, Grilon, and Ihanki, and other Natalie Gonzales. They were all Secretaries of Justice and showed very good demeanor. They did not behave like politicians. But in the case of Secretary Gonzales, I think he forgot that he was not anymore a congressman, but he still continued to behave like a congressman in spite of the fact that he was already holding a very lofty position in the justice system at that. Now, remember that this case of the IBP came about because of a conduct attributed to him with respect to Iloilo politics, which is a very partisan area. Remember, he is part of Iloilo politics.